Okay, guys, what you're going to do is go to your technology tab, find the assignment, private and personal information. You can watch the video here, and this is to type in your answers. Click on it. And remember, you want to make a copy of this because if not, there's too many people going to be typing on the same one. So I go up to File, Make a Copy. And all you're going to do is click in the box here and put your name. Press OK. Now it's saved to your drive. And because there's so many people on it, it might take a minute to come up. You have to give it a few times. Look up here at your little circle. When it stops, it's probably okay to type. If not, it's going to be slow. You want to click above. See, it's not letting me right this second. It's going to take a minute. Okay, so it took about 30 seconds to let me type in it. So you want to click on where you want to type. So I want to type my answer. It's going to take a minute for those letters to come up. You just got to give it time. Your name, same thing. Click where you want to type your name. Give it a minute. You just got to hit it in the right spot. Today is September 11th, 2020. When I'm done, I'm going to, you want to get rid of that. When I'm done, I can just click off of it, go back to my assignment and go to add or create. You want to upload from Google Drive. And it's going to take a minute. I'm going to find the document I typed in. I'm going to upload it, mark it as done. And your work submit. Now, for some reason, if it says no work attached, you unsubmit the assignment and try again. Now it's attached. Turn in.